Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to resize your Facebook cover photo or make sure your Facebook cover photo is in perfect frame. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, go to your Play Store and search for Pixel Lab. After that, this application will be appear. You have to just install this application. Then go to that particular application. Then from the top right corner, click on the three dot button. Now at the fifth place, you can see a button, image size. Click on this button. Now click on the custom. Now you can see a button, Facebook cover art. You have to click this option. Click OK. Now you can see that the frame has been transferred into your Facebook cover photo size. You have to delete the text. Now go to the fourth option from the bottom part. Go to the color option, select color again, click the white color, click save. That's all. Now click the plus button from the top left corner, click gallery, select your particular photos or photo, click check mark. I'm going to adjust these photos. After that, you have to click the save button just beside the plus button from the upper portion. Click save as image. Now click save to gallery. This is how easily you can choose the cover photo size and make sure your Facebook cover photo is in frame. But the problem is, for professional account, the cover photo size is 16:9. So in that case, you can easily use the normal photos with 16:9 ratio. You can also do that on Pixel Lab. But for the previous accounts that we have seen the problem of setting the cover photo size, you can use that method that I have already shown. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.